Hey, 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 welcome to day 16 of our 30-day yoga trapeze challenge. We're going to be doing a Barre Pilates-esque style sculpting. So I'm going to add my ball of bangles. You can take any sort of wrist ankle weight, not required. This is just optional to add a little bit of extra. If you want, I do have a discount code with a link to the product in the description below. So we're going to stand around the back of the hammock, taking the middle handles. Feet are right underneath the hips, toes facing forward. I'm going to exhale, hands to the outside of the hammock, hinge forward as I send my hips back slightly, arms reaching out in front. Then reach over to the left, inhale, center, exhale, pull it back. Then reaching forward, over to the right, back to center, standing up. Let's do that one more time each side. Exhaling forward, side, center, and back. Forward, side, center, and back. Then we're going to exhale, go straight forward, reach the arms out to the side, and then inhale back forward, standing up. As I bring my arms out to the side, I'm really pressing down into the handles, then pulling back. Let's do that one more time. Out to the side, bringing it back. Nice. Now I'm going to stay up nice and tall. You can move a little bit more underneath the hanging points. I'm going to press down and forward into the handles as I lift my heels, really trying to engage the quads. Inhale, soften, pull the elbows back behind you. Exhale, press down and forward, really squeeze your thighs. Inhale, pull the elbow back. We'll do that 3 more times. And inhale. Exhale, press 2. Inhale back. So press 3. Inhale back. Nice. Then standing up, do a little shakeout. We're going to take our handles, the lowest handles, come forward into a plank, holding nice and strong. Hands are underneath the shoulders. You can stay just like this if this is a workout for you, or even knees can come down, whatever feels good for you, or we can dip the hips to the left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center. Breathe, you got it. 2 more times each side. 1 more time each side. Then hold it to center. Press the hands towards your shins as you pull the hips up. Inhale down. 4 more times. Exhale, pull it back, lift the heels. Inhale forward. Exhale. And inhale. 2. And inhale. Hold it back. Hold 3, 2, 1. Soften the heels. Release the arms forward. Slowly stand it up. Now we're going to take our lowest handle, that rubber piece, move it out of the way. I'm going to step my right foot in. I'm going to hold on to my highest handles for a little bit of support, bringing the elbows in. I'm going to turn my left toes out, heel in, right toes out, heel in. Soft bend in that standing knee, super important. Shoulders stay over the hips, core is engaged, neck is long, like a ballerina or ballerino. Then we're going to extend that right leg out, stay pressing down. Inhale, pull it back. Exhale to press, and inhale. Breathe. You can stay just like this, or we'll start to lift the heel of the standing leg, left heel as the right leg kicks out. Inhale back. Exhale to lift. And inhale. We'll do 4 more, single count. 4, 3. We're going to take it into 2 count slow movements after these last 2. And 1. Nice. Now 2 count really slow. Exhale. Press. Inhale. Lower. Again, that heel can stay down, or you can go back to having the heel down. Totally up to you. We'll do 2 more 2 count slow. And in 1 more slow. Nice. Then we're going to hold it out. Little pulse press as you gently lift through that standing heel, pressing the foot out. Breathe. 4, 3, we're going to keep it out in 2, and 1. You can set your standing heel down if you want to, or lower it down, bend that right knee. Exhale, bring it forward. Inhale, out. Exhale, forward. Inhale, out. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it forward. And this last one, hold it here. Just a little kick forward. Press, press, press. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. Really lift that standing heel. 4, 3, 2, 1. Set it down. Nice. If you want to give that left leg a little bit of a quad stretch, you can. Then we'll go to the other side. So I'm going to move that rubber piece out of the way. Left foot steps in now, grabbing the middle handles just for balance. I'm not trying to pull on them. Heels are in, toes are turned out. Then sinking down, so I'm bending into that standing leg. Everything stacked nice and strong. Elbows in. Then I'm going to exhale, press left foot away. Inhale back. Exhale, press. And inhale. Out. And in. Now option to add that heel lift on the extended leg. Or as we extend that leg. Breathe. For 6, 5. Keeping that knee bent, standing knee bent. 3. We're going to take it to our 2 count after these last 2. And 1. Now nice and slow. Exhale, press. Inhale, pull. Exhale, press. Inhale, pull. 2 more. Slower is harder. I know. We're getting those stabilizers. Then we're going to hold it out. Little bend and press. Little heel drop and lift. Bend and press. Drop and lift. Breathe. Chin stays lifted. Neck is long. 4, 3, 2. We're going to hold it out. Hold it out. Bend that left knee. You can always set your right heel down if you need to, or keep it lifted. Left knee comes in and out. Bring it forward and to the side. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're going to hold it forward on this last one here. Little press. Press. Breathe. You got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Set it down. Nice. Whew. Shaking out. So we can stay on the ground for these next moves. We're going to bring the heels together. Toes are going to be turned out. Then we're going to lift the heels, bend the knees, and stay stacked. If you want more of a challenge, we'll sit in the hammock to put our feet into the straps. So you can just stay on the floor, no problem. It'll still be a workout. You hold on to those handles. If you want more of a stabilizer challenge, we'll step our feet into those straps, grab the highest handles, stand it up. Then we're going to bring the heels in, bend the knees, exhale, straighten. Inhale, bend, exhale, lift. Really working to keep those heels together and down. For 4, 3, we're going to slow it down in 2, and 1. Nice and slow. Inhale, down, a little bit lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, low as you can go. Exhale, up. 2 more. Inhale, down. Exhale, lift. Once. Exhale, lower down. Then we're going to bring the knees in and out. Working to keep those heels together. In and out. Breathe. 4, 3, 2. We're going to hold it low after this last one. Hold it here. Knees together. Sinking back. I don't have any weight in my hands. 4, 3, 2, 1, sit down. Ah, breathing. Nice. So now that we're in the hammock, we'll do our core work. So take those legs out. Go ahead and lie back. We're going to take our hips outside the hammock and then rock back. So that way you have a nice little hang here. We're going to exhale, bring right elbow to right elbow to right knee, inhale, center. Exhale, left elbow, left knee, inhale, center. Side. Doesn't have to be big, it can just be a little crunch, or really try to get up there. You got it. 2 more rounds each side. 1 more round. Then holding center, curl it up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, curl it in, tuck that tailbone. Inhale, lower. Exhale to lift. Inhale down. On this last one, hold it up. Breathing in. Breathe out. 1 more round. And exhale. Then inhale, soften. Walk those hands back. Allow the legs to come wide. Big stretch, roll through the ankles. Then exhale, walk the hands back. Slowly coming to sit for a moment. Let the blood come down. Then we'll go ahead and stand up. I'm going to bring my arms to the inside of the hammock, clasping my fingers together, just bringing my palms together. Soft bend in the knees, so I'm completely hinging forward. Then I'm going to extend my left leg back, turn the toes out. I'm going to exhale, lift that leg up, inhale down. Exhale, lift. So I'm not going straight back behind me or out to the side. To add a diagonal down for 5, 4, 3, 2, then hold it up here, little pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, hold it up in 2, and 1, hold it up, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale down. Nice. You can kind of rock those hips a little bit. Resetting the feet, deep bend in both knees, then extend right leg back, knees locked out, pointing through those toes. Knee is turned open, but that hip is working to face forward. Then we exhale up, inhale down, and lift and lower, up and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, then hold it up, little pulse, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, hold it up in 2, and 1, hold it up, 4, 3, 2, 1, soften. You can rock out those legs a little bit. Then we're going to extend that left leg straight back. Try to reach the arms forward. Exhale, bend that knee in. Inhale out. Exhale in. Inhale out. 6, 5, 4, 3, or you can just work the leg. 2, and then 1. Hold it in, little pulse. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Set it down. Readjusting if you need to. Extending that right leg straight back. Arms can reach forward, or you can keep them in, just working the leg. We're going for core here, so we're going to exhale, bend the knee in. Inhale, extend out. Exhale in, or even just tap it down, then bring it up. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it for a little pulse in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Hold it up in 2, 1. Hold it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Set it down. Send the arms forward. You can rest your eyebrows up, your forehead into the strap or into the hammock. Gently rock side to side. Breathing into your body. Maybe lift one heel and the other as you stretch side to side. Nice and slowly sink the hips to stand up. Reach the arms up, big stretch. Good job. Barre Pilates in the trapeze. Feeling strong in the legs, the core, a little bit with the arms. So I will see you tomorrow for another day of our Yoga Trapeze challenge. Join the Facebook groups, Yoga Trapeze Lovers, Yoga Trapeze Tips and Tricks. They are linked in the description as well as the comment below. Leave me a comment, leave me some love, because I love you.